Now this is the Mass Coastal Railroad vertical lift bridge crossing the Cape Cod Canal, located in Buzzards Bay, Massachusetts, or Bourne, Massachusetts. It was built in 1935, replacing the earlier first truss hill train bicycle bridge that was built in 1910, and it's raised for boat traffic, and it usually lowers for train traffic, and it doesn't raise until boats come through. I'll show you. If it's raised, you got boats coming through and everything. Now this bridge is about to lower. Yeah, this bridge is about to lower. Now the bridge is lowered, and it's still in use for train traffic. It's a single track, and so like it stays lower until like boats come through, and then it raises. Yep. So across the Cape Cod Canal, located in Bourne, Buzzards Bay, Massachusetts.